Wagwan, what's cooking in your kitchen? Well, today I'm gonna make some red pea soup. So as you can see, I have my peas already soaked, and over here I have some chicken foot and some pigtail, and I put a little seasoning on my chicken foot and my pigtail. I already boiled the pigtail, then I put a little seasoning over it, you know. So I put my peas in the pressure cooker. I'm gonna pressure it a little, like for like 15 minutes, and I'm gonna put the pigtail in it also, and I'm gonna add some coconut milk to the mixture. So as you can see, I had my coconut milk inside. I'm gonna put my pigtail inside of it too. So I'm gonna put some peg garlic inside. So these are what I'm gonna put in my soup. Over here I have some carrots, I have some cocoa, I have some chocho, sweet potato, Irish potato, yellow yam, pumpkin, and I have some. I'm gonna mix my flour. As you can see, I have my flour here with a little cornmeal. So I'm gonna make my dumplings right now. And make sure your hands clean. I already washed my hands, fingernail clean, hands clean. And over here I dice up my carrot, my pumpkin. Over here I have my Irish and my chocho. Over here I have my yellow yam, sweet potato, and cocoa. I don't know, for some reason the yam looks red, I don't know. So guys, the peas is already cooked, so I have in my pigtail and my chicken foot. So I'm gonna add to it my pumpkin and my carrot and let those boil. I'm gonna add a few pimento seed. Yes, I'm gonna put in some spinach dumpling. So now I'm gonna add my sweet potato, my yellow yam, so I'm gonna add some scallion, some thyme, and some pepper. So let it go and boil out in the soup. Give it the soup some flavor, you know. Soup look rich already and it's not finished as yet. So I'm adding some corn to the pot, and I'm gonna add a little more water to it. I add my Irish potato and my chocho. The reason why I put this last, because I don't want it to boil right out, you understand? So right about now I'm gonna add my cock soup in. So I'm gonna use 2, but the thing is I'm gonna strain off the noodle part because I don't like the noodle. So yeah, so now I'm gonna add my cock soup in. I'm trying to not let the noodles in. Yes, I'm straining off the noodles because I don't really like the noodle part of it. So look at my soup. Look how rich is it. You don't have to, some people use flour in their soup to thicken it. All you have to do is just take out some of the peas and crush it and put it back in it, and then you get your thickness. You don't have to put no flour inside of it. Look at that. So basically everything is cooked. So I'm gonna turn off the stove now and share a bowl and let you guys see the finished product of my red pea soup with pigtail, chicken foot, dumplings, corn, pumpkin, cocoa, yam, sweet potato, and carrots. There you go. That's the finished product of my red bean soup, as you can see. So all I want you guys to do is just share this video out, like this video, comment down below, tell me what you think about this lovely bowl of red pea soup, and don't forget to hit that notification button. Bye until next time. I'm out.